Alright, I won't be able to film this, but I've put a bit of metal there. That's the battery. I'm going to heat it up. I'm going to hold it with these tweezers, heat it up, and as soon as it's free, I'm going to pull it away. Not going to pull hard, just going to hold on to it till it comes away. I have seen videos of people damaging the board. I'm going to try not to. Wish me luck. I hate using this thing, it's scary. But there she is. And there's that. I did catch those wires for there though, look. I think. So I'll have to check those now. They might need a bit of heat shrink on them. But the board is nice. That came off good. Happy with that. I'll have to inspect these cables now. So I protected some components there. That went well. That not so good. Close though. There we go. Bit of flux, bit of heat. Wait for the solder to flow and remove. Now, I gotta try and fit the holder. Wish me luck. Alright, just letting the iron warm up. Here's my little battery holder here. I'm thinking of sticking that there. And then this is the positive leg. And then that's the negative. So I'm going to solder them on and maybe find some way of just maybe double-sided tape, nothing too hectic. Try that here. I hope it doesn't interfere with whatever this is shielding. A charging battery for there might cause trouble, but we'll see. Here we go. Right, put a bit of flux down and I've added some solder there to the pads ready. I'll tin the wires now as well, and they'll just go. I got some white tack. I'm gonna go behind this cable and line that up there somewhere. Push down. There's an on-off switch at the back there. It's in the on position. Cable around the back for you. A couple more going in there, and the face comes on here. Ta-da! Right, that's them on. No problemo. Sorry about the big fan. Alright, got my Maxwell rechargeable. The ML2032. Gonna pop that in. Shut the lid. Check it's in the on position. It is. And I'm gonna chuck the lid on and see if we got memory. Woo! Alright, so we'll plug back in. Let's see. Date is What am I doing? Now then, is this months or days? Some of this American stuff. Yeah. And the time is... Oh, I can't go back. I prefer it when you can go around the block. 2301, that's about right, isn't it? I could put the offset in. So now we're back at the minute, I think. I ain't playing with that actually. Let's just turn it off. I'm gonna kill the power as well. Power off. Power off. Power on. And what time is it, Mr. Wolf? Pretty good. Pretty good. I see that's another job done.